guys, so I think we should all listen to each other's ringtones. Alright, first up, you, Marichiro. Marichiro, you are a Hashira. Really? Well, that was interesting. I think I really liked it. Well, next is Mitsuri. You like the song? I like the song too. Well, I think we should do maybe Giyu next.
Could you find a way to
He's so emo.
We just try to like you, Giyu, but you make it hard for us.
Next up, Tengen. Y'all are gonna like this. It sounds amazing. Wow, that was so amazing. Next up, Sonami.
Everybody is let's go!
Well, I guess next up, Shinobu. Really? The theme song? Next up, Gyome. Oh, I don't have a phone, but you can go next, Obanai.
So